Namaste. I am Navina. I am from Bangalore. I am a data scientist. I came here to explore the Kumbh and take this holy bath. As we all know, in Sanatana or Hindu Dharma, we have a very special bonding between the cow Mata and between our religious customs and other things. I think it's very good sign that they are using this kind of cultural feast to promote the cows like this, right? That's very important that I saw in this Kumbh Mela. And I heard about these dwarf varieties of the cows from Punganur. I think they have done a natural breeding and made it like still dwarfer, which is Nadipati nano breed. I was felt very happy, and I had a plans to get a breed where I can rear it in my home itself. And actually I'm building a new house and I'm planning to bring these breeds. After seeing this, definitely I will reach out to Nadipati's cattle center, and I would like to congratulate Dr. P. Krishnam Raju. I think though he is a human doctor, I think his things to breed the cattle like this is appreciative. I really appreciate that. Maybe we can contact with them. Thanks everyone and happy Kumbh Mela. Thank you.
नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मी रोहित पाटील आणि हे विश्वनाथ केने. आम्ही इथे महाकुंभला आलेलो 2 दिवस झाले. तर आता जाताना आम्हाला ह्या गायी दिसल्या, नाडीपती गायी अशा या टाईपच्या गायी असतात. तर आम्हाला हे बऱ्याच वर्षापासून बघायची इच्छा होती आणि फायनली आम्हाला इथे महाकुंभला येऊन हे बघायला मिळालं. हे कृष्णन राजू यांच्यामार्फत सगळं हे ठेवलेलं आहे. त्यांच्या साहाय्याने आम्हाला हे बघायला मिळालं. त्यासाठी त्यांना खूप धन्यवाद.